What's going on, YouTubers? Guddang775. I'm back with another video. Today I'll be doing a review on the Hummingbird Wireless Earbuds, and these are from the folks over at Bliiq. I think I'm pronouncing it right, Bliiq. Full disclosure, they did send it over to me for me to review. Now, I already unboxed these about six and a half days ago. Unboxing footage is right here. The thing is, when I unboxed these and I shot the footage, I did a whole little spiel, my whole little spiel unboxing and whatnot. There was a blackout during it, and the only footage I saved was at the beginning. The rest of the later footage got corrupted, so I couldn't use it. So I'm pretty upset about that. But at least I got unboxing footage right here. As you can see, it came in a nice premium package. And as for what came in the box, it came with a solid hard case right here, and it came with 7 extra earbuds, not including the ones that are already installed. And I think 3 of them are silicone tips, and the other 4 are flange. I think that's what you call it, flange. Yes. 2 ear tips are bi-flange ear tips, cone bi-flange ear tips, and 3 of them are round bi-flange ear tips. The other 3 are silicone ear tips. But yeah. So it came with also micro USB charging cable, and for the battery life, let's get to the battery life. Now for me, they lasted for about 12.5 hours, I say, because I don't know if they were fully charged when I first got them. I forgot to check when I first paired them to my LG G7. As for the footage that I'm recording this with, I'm using the LG V40, by the way. The LG V40 is taking this whole footage. But getting off topic, the battery life, I got 12.5 hours of battery life. The thing is, I listen to my headphones at full blast at all times. Okay, the volume on these things are on point. They sound just right for what you're paying for, and you also get crystal clear. I mean crystal clear mids and highs. Okay, the one con that this headset has is the lack of bass. I'm gonna be upfront and tell you folks about it. The bass is lacking. Now you can go into your EQ or whatever headphone, whatever product or whatever phone or device you got these headphones paired to. You can go into the music, the equalizer, and tune and get as much low end as you can, but it's not going to help much. The bass is just lacking on these earbuds. Now that's not necessarily a bad thing, because the mids and highs sound fantastic, and for when you're working out, these are really good. Okay, these are sweat proof and water resistant. Okay, I'm thinking it's I'll list the IP resistance right here when I find it. If I don't, I'm gonna go ahead and reach out to the company and ask, and I'll edit in and put a little subtitle here later, or I'll leave it down in the about section if I forget to do that. But it's sporting some type of water resistance, so if you're out running in the rain and whatnot, if it's sprinkling rain, it should be fine. Maybe if it starts a little bit of a heavy pour, I think you'll be fine, but I don't recommend going swimming with these things. But yeah, I mean, the build quality is good, and that microphone on this thing is pretty good. When I did make a couple calls with this headset on, the folks on the other side, they could hear me fairly well, and they didn't even know I was on like a different type of, what do you call that, on a headset. Okay, they thought I was talking from the phone. It sounded like I was talking from the phone, so that's always a plus. But yeah, so the the Hummingbird Wireless Earbuds is listed down below in my about section. I hope you folks go ahead and check out that link, because if you do check that link out, it does help me out in the process, okay? And it establishes faith in the folks who did send this over to me, the folks over at Bliiq, that I can get the name out for the product like this, and deservedly so, because these are pretty good, okay, for what they are. But yeah, it's Guddang775. I hope you folks like this quick little review of the Hummingbird Wireless Earbuds. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos every few days. If you didn't like this video, hit that dislike button and let me know in the comments down below. I do appreciate the criticism. This is Guddang775. Thanks for watching. Peace out.